Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This will be a quite short video because I'll be just showing what all things I have received in Byju's welcome kit for the academic specialist. Right? So today only I have received that welcome kit, and I would like to show you what are the things that I have got in the welcome kit. Right? So let's get started with the video. And if you like the video, you can hit that like button, and for more such content on the academic specialist, you can subscribe to my channel as well. So let's see what are the things. Okay, so this is a bag which is there. It's basically a laptop bag that I have received. So you can keep your laptop in this, which you might got in your assets. So regarding the assets, I have already made a video. If you have not watched that video, go and check that video. And I have explained everything in detail about what are the assets that you receive. Apart from this laptop bag, I have received this another bag which is made up of jute. So Byju's, again, it is written over there. Very beautiful message, no plastic, fantastic, it is written. So you can use that bag whenever needed. It's quite eco-friendly and quite handy as well. Okay, so apart from this, this is a coffee mug from the, again, Byju's. It is written over here, and a welcome letter from the Byju's. These two are the badges. One is proud Byjut, and second life at the Byju's. So you can wear that whenever you are taking classes and all. And this is a daily notebook. You can keep yourself updated regarding your everything. You can write in this, right? So these are all the things that I have received in a welcome kit, right? So this was the video, and thank you so much for watching.